Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we do lots of unboxings over here, and today I have got a huge box to share with you guys. This is going to be the Winter 2023 box from the Balanced Company. We are specifically opening up their women's lifestyle box. They have a lot of boxes available, but like I said, we're specifically gonna look at the women's lifestyle box for winter. So let's go ahead and get started and check this box out. So this is the Balanced Company Lifestyle Box. It is a quarterly subscription that will ship out every 3 months. It is currently shipping the winter box, so if you guys are interested, this is the exact same box that you will receive right now. I will be posting that link down below for you guys, and I also have a discount code for you. This box also ships to Canada. Now, if you are in Canada, I have a separate link for you, so just make sure when you guys are shopping, you're clicking on the right link applicable to your country, but my code will work on both of those. Now, one of my favorite things about this box is they fill it. I mean, you guys, there are so many items every single season. Every single quarter, I get a box that's got like 13, 15 items in it. So they are just known for always packing their boxes. Inside of your box, you will have a card that's gonna talk about Evie, the owner, and how she is a small business lady that has created all of these fabulous boxes. Okay, so I just took the first item off, which I will unbox in just a second, but look at this. Do you see all of these? Like, this is what I'm talking about when I say that they fill this box full. So first item that we have inside of our box is going to be a home decor item. This is going to be a hand-woven basket tray, and there are 2 handles here on the side of it. It's pretty good size as well. Like, you could definitely put a pitcher and 2 glasses, you know, have your whole summer drinks on here. I'm thinking summer and it's already winter. No. This is supposed to be cookies and milk. That's what's in winter. So the great thing about the Balanced Company is when you receive their lifestyle box, they're going to give you a little bit of everything to balance out your life. So inside you will find some home decor on occasion, but we've had lots of different items. I think this is made really well. It's sturdy. It's so solid that you definitely could put weight on here. That's why I was thinking like a pitcher and a couple of glasses. But yes, if you want to do cookies and milk, you definitely could do that too. Next item that we have in here is from Myers. This is the Mrs. Myers lotion. We have, I believe, 8 ounces here of this hand lotion, and it is plum berry scented. So this is a full-size bottle, and it does come sealed, which I love that. We also have another product from Mrs. Myers, and this is their hand soap. We have the scent Oat Blossom, and it is 8 ounces again, full-size bottle and sealed. This is, oh, you know what? I just had an idea. You could put these in the bathroom if you wanted to with your tray, and you could do a whole display here with all of the items you need. You could put a little dish in the front. Wouldn't that be cute, you guys? I don't know. Now I'm thinking you could put little hand towels there or something. You've got your hand lotion. You got your hand soap. Like, see, I kind of see what's happening now. Okay, moving on to our next item here. We have a, oh, this is the dry shampoo. I've used this product. So this is from Vore. It's called She's Like the Wind, and it is a dry shampoo and conditioner all in one. So this is a hair care product, really great brand. And this will give you, not only will it give you the hydration for your hair with that conditioner, but it's also going to absorb any oils that you might have. That way you can go further in between your washes. And honestly, dry shampoo is a godsend because it's so quick. You put it in and you are ready to go. So if you're on a time crunch, this is a hero product. Next item that I have in here is the Wild Remedies Magic Latte. Oh, it's a drink. This says it's strawberry rose flavored, and you have 12 bags in here. It's like a tea bag. It's veto. I'm looking at vegan and keto, and it's veto. So it's vegan, keto, it's also gluten-free, it's 0 sugar, and there's also no caffeine in this either. And they mentioned that you can do this warm or cold, but they recommend that you put it in with warmed milk, and they recommend oat milk specifically. And then it says you can actually frappe this and have your own frappe at home with no sugar or caffeine in it. I love strawberry flavored items, so this honestly sounds like my jam. I'm kind of excited to try this. I've never had this brand before either, but there's 12 of them, so it's gonna last a while. At least you've got a full-size box here. Now we also have another product from the same company. This one is Almond Lavender Dream. So same principle again, there's 12 of these in here. These are going to be still vegan, keto, there's no sugar, there's no caffeine in them, but it is going to have a slightly different flavor with that lavender. It does state that you can do this as a latte or a frappe again, and they give directions on how to do that. I like those. Those are exciting. Next item that I have in here is an overnight lip mask, and it is blackberry scented. This is from Eco Lips. It's brand new and sealed, which I love that aspect. It does state that it's cruelty free and it's going to be a nourishing, moisturizing lip mask. It will help with chapped lips because it's got argan and coconut oils in here as well. And then it's got that blackberry scent to it. We also have an aromatherapy bracelet in our box. This is the Radiate Love Rose Quartz and Lava Stone bracelet. Now, if you guys have not seen these before, the idea behind them is one, you can wear them as a bracelet as just a beautiful fashion accessory. But the lava stones, these 3 white beads in the middle here, are very porous and they will absorb any essential oils that you put on them. So if you want to have a certain fragrance or if you want it for medicinal reasons, you can actually put it on there and you can wear that throughout the day and you'll smell fantastic. The other thing that's kind of nice about this is the clasp is an adjustable one that you can do by yourself, so you don't need somebody else to put the bracelet on you. So this is what it will look like here, and you actually are going to grab the ends and this will just tighten down, and so all you need to do is just pull it and it will tighten. So I love those because they're super easy to put on. We have another lip product in here. This one is their sugar scrub, and it's from Eco Lips once again, and it is their brown sugar scrub, so it will help to exfoliate any dry, chapped lips. So you'd probably want to put this on first and exfoliate and cleanse, and then do the blackberry moisturizer that we had earlier. So the next item that I have is an all-purpose cleaning strip. Now this is going to be part 1 of 2 in this box. What this is these are very concentrated cleaning strips. You'll rip a strip off and put it into a bottle of water. It will dissolve, you'll mix it up in that bottle, and then you actually have your cleaning spray. This is way less toxic than a lot of other cleaning products that are out there on the market. So I have cleaning strips myself and I use them just because they are less toxic, but they're still going to do a great job at cleaning. They're still going to kill that bacteria. They're just not as harmful as like some of the other chemicals that are out there. So this one is grapefruit and bergamot scented. It is a zero waste product, which is another reason why I like these strips. There are 8 strips inside of this box and it's eco-friendly, and even the container is 100% biodegradable. They recommend that you put 2 strips into a 16-ounce spray bottle, fill the bottle with water and shake it until it's dissolved, and then use it. And it says you have enough in here for 4 16-ounce bottles, which honestly, you guys, they last forever in my opinion. Like, it goes a really long ways. Now, I said part 1 of 2 for a reason, because included in your box is the glass spray bottle that you're going to need in order to mix up that water and those 2 strips. So this one is the Nantucket Footprint glass bottle. You can technically use any glass bottle for that product. So if you already have a favorite, you can do that. But personally, I love that they included it into our box, because a lot of times you'll get the strips and it's like, well, great, now I got to go buy another product just to make this work. And it's not very, you know what I mean? It's not very convenient. So I love that they included it for us. And then it's got a silicone navy jacket down here on the bottom. That way it's soft on surfaces, but it's also not going to have any condensation or anything like that either. But it is an all glass bottle. You've got your sprayer up here. And then, like it said, just take 2 strips, put it in here with water, shake it, and then you're good to go. Next item that I have in here is going to be a body lotion. This is a plant-based body lotion. lotion. It's 1 ounce, 30 ml, and it's from a company called Based. This is also cruelty free, and it is a full-size product. It looks small, but this is the largest size that this company makes. They state it's because you don't need a lot of their product because it will go a long ways. And the last item inside of our box today is going to be a little booklet. This is an activity booklet. It says 100 things to do on tough days. And this book is a pick-me-up of things you can do when you're having a rough go. Honestly, I gotta tell you guys, this is perfect, especially for winter, because the winter blues can affect everyone. But inside, there's gonna be all sorts of activities that you can complete. They're all super bright and vibrant. You can take this with you on the go because it's small enough to just put it into a pocket. There are quite a few different ideas that you can do on your tough days. So in total, there are 13 items inside of this box, you guys. 13! But that's what makes this box fantastic. I love that they give us so many items in here. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the winter box this season, and we can chit chat about it. Also, if you're interested in it, don't forget I have a discount code down there and a link for you guys. And occasionally, the Balance Company will do some really awesome sales. They had an amazing one on Black Friday where you could get this box for 50% off, you guys. So if you're ever interested in other deals with this box, I always post them over on my community page. So make sure you guys are checking there as well. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this box, don't forget I have a discount code and my link all down below for you guys. And then you can get all of these same goodies that I just showed you today. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!